drip, drip, I'll make man slip. Those bros too loose with a broom, no witch. I got a ZK on the ride, no kitch. I told my broski don't move like a bitch. Drip, drip till my bro don't slip. Roll with a shank tuck, no time to throw fists. Do the ups like chips and dip, dip. Big Rambo on my hip, you're pissed.
Bro, go back for misinformation. You don't know the you.
Yeah. Niche. Let's get it. Chacola Melo. Whoa.
Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tanemsco, and in today's video we're gonna be reviewing one of the coolest Nike crossbody bag. Do you know what I mean? Like, let's get it. Oh yeah, before we start this video, I would like to give a special shout out to my little bro Zane. Go down in the description, you know. He does everything, public interviews, everything. He's one of the latest young YouTubers out here. You know what I'm saying? So if you wanna please me, go down and subscribe to him and check out his content. So yeah guys. Yes guys. Yes. You know what I'm saying? The parcel came through, you know what I mean? And then you see my address, because I don't want no one to pull up on me. And if you pull up on me, I got a heat. 419 gang. Let's get it. I don't know why I like doing this, man. It's so stupid. Ooh, this is looking nice. God damn, bro. Let's open it. Why does it have to be so solid, man? We're gonna have to do a part 2. Oh, actually, we don't even need to do a part 2. I wanted to have my Tug Life moment, man. Come on, man. Oh, if you're on one of these do-rags, I'll put the link down in the description. You know, it's in the description. I'll give you 10% off, you feel me? Just use my code, you know what I'm saying? Down there. But look at this though, look at the drip.
Drip, drip, I'll make man slip.
Saying drip legit, drip severe, whatever you want to call it, you feel me? Look, it's got them things at the side, Korean, Japanese, I don't know, Chinese. I don't know what's written in it, but it looks cool. It reminds me of Naruto. I mean, you know, I love Naruto. I'm the black Naruto, you feel me? Listen, I'm taking the tag off. Okay, let's put it on. Let's put it on, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't even know what's that is for. I guess this is what it looks like when it's on. You know what I'm saying? Let me try to. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this. Look at this from the back. I got that Bruce Lee back though. I got that V. You know what I'm saying? The V thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's look at let's look at how deep this is. Let's go into technicalities. You feel me? So okay, the main way to open it is through here. I don't know if you can see the inside. It's quite, yeah, it's spacious. The inside is spacious. Yeah, that's fair enough. You know. Got 1, 2, then here, there's another pocket. Let's see the depth. Yeah, it goes all the way down, and I'm loving them zebra. It could be either a zebra skin or like, you know, when a tiger scratch something, a tiger scratch, you know what I'm saying, like Wolverine or Black Panther. Yeah, that's more cool. Now this bag is drip. And you know me, listen, if you watch my channel, you know I'm into that anime shit. not really anime, but more like Naruto. But I love all these type of things, you know what I'm saying? Like cap. One more thing that I like is the straps, you know what I'm saying? That's like even more drip, you know what I'm saying? Like that's another depth of drip that's added onto it. You feel me? To make it even more drippy in the drip world. You feel me? I'm saying the word drip a lot, but it is what it is, man. And this is what I like, because I have other crossbody bags here, but it's not as comfy when it touches my body, if you know what I'm saying, like my chest. But this makes it comfy. Yes, sir. This is the ultimate drip to me. And you know, listen, you know this thing is the ultimate drip. You feel me? You know the thing. Listen, this is the ultimate drip. No cap, no phone, you know what I'm saying? Gang. Chirac and his tricks. I've never been to Chicago in my life. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So if you're on one of these crossbody bags, because I'm starting this trend, just like with the Nike head ties here, you go down in the description, feel me? Support, like, go down in the description, buy it from my link, and at the same time you help support my channel. Do you know what I'm saying? We're supposed to help each other out. You know what I mean? So yeah, go get this do-rag, go get the bags, go do your thing. You feel me, black? Do your thing, fam. Yeah? Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It was your boy, Tanams Go.
I'm from the Brooklyn ex-AJ. Man, mistake with a pen like JK. True say I ain't